अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ क्लास 4। मैथ्स की जो है असाइनमेंट है आज हमारी फर्स्ट। तो अगर हम इसको सॉल्व करना स्टार्ट करें, फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम जो है वो मैंने यहाँ पर सॉल्व की है, आप इसको देख सकते हैं। और लेकिन नेक्स्ट जो है इसको हम अभी सॉल्व करेंगे और आप इसका पैटर्न कॉपी कर सकते हैं। 3 7s are 21 here to carry it here, 4 3s are 12 and 2 makes 14, 3 4s are 12, yes 14, 1 carried here. 3 and 4 makes 1, sorry 3 4 3s are 12 and 13, carried here. 3 8s are 24 and 1 25, 1 carried here. 3 3s are 9 and 2 makes 11, multiply. Now if we erase the carries from here, now we have 7 7s are 49, 9 here and 4 will be carried here. 4 7s are 28 and 2 makes 32, 2 and 3 carried here. 4 7s are 28 again, 28 and 2 makes 30, 0, 3 carried here. Now 7 8s are 56, 56 and 3 makes 59, 5 carried here. And 7 3s are 21 and it will be 26, multiply. I have to erase the carries from here. Now we have 4 7s are 28, 2 will be carried here. 4 4s are 16 and 2 makes 18, 1 carried here. 4 4s are 16 and 1 17, 1 carried here. 4 8s are 32 and it will be 33, 3 carried here. And 4 3s are 12 and 3 makes 15. Now we have to add these values. 1 here, 4 and 9 makes 13, 1 carry here. 3 and 1 makes 4, 4 and 2 makes 6 and 8 makes 14, 14, 1 here. 5 and 1 makes 6, 6 and 8 makes 14, 1 carried here. 9 and 1 makes 10 and 11, 11 and 7 makes 18. 1 and 1 2, 2 and 6 8, 8 and 3 makes 11, 1 here and it will be 8 and 1. Now our overall answer is 18 million 184,431. That's the answer. Solve this problem on your summer pack. Until next video lecture, Allah Hafiz.